Introducing Haverland's ULTRAD, the world's first radiant heating system that can intelligently program itself, providing ultimate flexibility and comfort. The ULTRAD control panel is comprised of 3 simple buttons, a display and indicator lights. Using a combination of these buttons will allow you to adjust your ULTRAD radiator modes and settings to your perfect requirement. Haverland's ULTRAD has 4 modes: learning, sensor, forced and manual. Forget about complicated manuals and complex programming. Haverland's ULTRAD will continuously learn your lifestyle and will repeat the pattern the following week. ULTRAD will set itself to comfort temperature once it senses motion. If there is no detection for 30 minutes, it will then change to economy temperature. After 12 hours, the ULTRAD will then change to anti-frost temperature. Once on sensor mode, the ULTRAD will use its presence detector to determine which temperature profile to select. This mode will not save or learn any information about your lifestyle. If ULTRAD senses motion in the room, it will set to the comfort temperature. If there is no detection for 30 minutes, it will then change to economy temperature. After 12 hours, the ULTRAD will then change to anti-frost temperature. Using the Haverland app has never been easier. When using your device and app to schedule and control your radiator, it will enter forced mode. On this mode, you manually decide when you want comfort, economy or anti-frost temperature. Once you select the temperature profile option you require, the radiator will stay at that temperature until you change it again manually. After downloading the free Haverland app on your device, create an account, verify and log in. After linking your Haverland Smartbox to your account, you will then need to add each ULTRAD radiator onto your profile and pair your device with each radiator. This is what your app will look like when you have added all your radiators. You can quickly see the status of each radiator on your network. To change any of the settings for each ULTRAD, simply click on the radiator in the app to go through to the next menu. Within the settings for each radiator, you can amend temperatures, modes, and even schedule changes down to each hour. For more information on Haverland's ULTRAD, please visit our website.